Ooh, welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Y'all see that? Where I'm headed? Yes, one of my favorite tool stores. I don't care how many years I got in the game, how much skills I got, how many ASC certification I got, how many years on the books I have, how well I know the 3.6 and the Hemi engines. It doesn't matter. Even I shop at Harbor Freights. Harbor Freights and Northern, to be exact. Especially Northern. Guys, tools, where you get your tools from, yes, it matters from a different perspective, okay? Yes, the thinking goes, traditional thinking goes, you are a professional if you shop only on the Snap-on truck or the Matco or Cornwell, those big boys. However, over the years, I've grown to learn that it's not that serious. Okay, I mean, from a stand quality, when you're talking about quality, yes. If all you want is high quality, top flight tools, yes, I'm with you. Go on the truck, stay on the truck, buy off the truck, okay? But some things do not, quarter-inch tools do not have to be high quality Snap-on. What I mean by that, your quarter-inch set. Like, just say, I mean, again, you want it to be quality because you want it to grab the nut or the bolt very securely and, take it off without rounding it off. So, yeah, from a quality standpoint, don't get me wrong, guys. Yes, I am a quality technician, all right? Yes, I believe in quality tools, but I have found a way to minimize spending on said tools. Now, that ain't even why I'm here, guys. I am here because y'all remember last week, when I did that hashtag short videos about that road cart being $199, well, that's over. It's been a week, guys. Okay, my road cart should be here. Let's go in here and find out what the hell is going on. Let's get it. There she is. That's what I got right here. Ooh, it wasn't $269, it was $199. All right, let me go ask this clerk what's going on. Yeah, let's get it.
Hey, how are you doing?
All right, I ordered one of these last week when they was on sale. How do you know if it's here or not?
What's your name?
Johnnie Thomas.
Johnnie Thomas. We're gonna check on it for you.
All right.
What was it? The 5-drawer mechanic?
Yeah, it was on sale gray last week for $199. So, guys, we wait until they go check. In the meantime, I'm going to go over here and look at some of these. Yes, no need to entertain this anymore, guys. I ended up getting Milwaukee. All right. Now, mine's is $379, but I got the, ooh, that's a long neck. I got the, I got the big Milwaukee like this, and I'm happy about it. I got 2 batteries and a charger. It came in a case and everything. I got to do an open box on that too, guys. I haven't even opened it yet because I don't want to open it until I get my road cart so I can set all my newly goody tools in my newly road cart. All right. Remember I got one of these a while back. So yes, you do have it. Can I have it? All right, because I think I paid for it already. Then. Compared to, y'all see this? No. What's going to happen? I mean, it's a road cart. Well, how much is the plan? Just curious.
For 1 year, it's 25. For 2, it's
No, I'm fine, man. I see how they want to compare. They compared this to Snap-on Blue Point.
It should come out here on
Snap-on costs $9.45. I got mine for $199. Yeah.
You get ready, pull up past the shrubbery and the handicap ramp upstairs.
Handicap ramp upstairs?
Well, if you go up that ramp, we call it upstairs because we have to actually go up.
Right.
But he's going to come out a door up there.
All right. Ooh, well, that went great. Although, now I'm starting to wonder, was it here all along? I just happened to be in the neighborhood and figured I'd stop by and check, guys. That's, y'all see that? There he is. He waiting on me. So, ooh, I don't even know if I got room in this junky van. But y'all know what? We about to make some room. Dadgummit. This is about to be on and popping next week. Let me see what kind of junk we got back here. This stuff gonna have to be, I gotta make room for my, oh, look at all this junk. Hey guys, I'm gonna get this away on the live stream, on the 50K subscriber live stream. At least I plan on it. I don't know, we'll see. I gotta make some room, guys. What am I, you know what? Probably can get back here. Guys, don't pay no mind to my junky vehicle, all right? I got tools and parts and junk everywhere. Look, there go my, the one I just talked about. Guys, don't talk smack about my junky car. Look at that video. Watch this video right here while I ain't got there. But for now, let me start promoting videos and make some room for my new, see, I already got a jump box, so I don't, well, I'm gonna be greedy for, y'all remember the story I told y'all? I went and bought another one because I thought I lost mine. I had left it in the customer car. All right, this look good right here. We're gonna put it right here. All right, what y'all think? So I had misplaced mine. I think I left it in the customer car. It turned out I didn't. And so I had ordered one, and then I found mine in my truck. Like Tom Cook say, where my leak down tester at. Oh, anyway. Let's go get my road car, guys. Let's get it. Hey, look at that PT Cruise. Whoa, that thing got a turbo in it. All right, my man is up here waiting on me. Will that box fit, guys? What y'all think? Damn it, we're gonna make it do what it do. All right, I hope you don't ask me for no receipt. I just misplaced it just that quick. Ooh, you think that'll get in here?
I think so.
Whew. We gonna make it do what it do. Am I open all the way? Oh, man. I appreciate it. Yeah. That's what happened when you keep a junky van. Look at that beauty. $199, fellas. Now I can open this and put it in my new road car. I probably should have tipped that dude, but I don't have no ones on me. Alright. I'll see y'all Monday. We're gonna get this thing put together. Let's get it.